You've been blogging for a while, and now you want to know if you can earn a living or maybe just a little extra cash. I'm Emily, this is Darlene, and we're going to share 4 things you can do to monetize your blog.
First, advertising.
Let's say you have a blog about living in Seattle and you're always sharing your experiences with the local restaurants. Make a deal with those restaurants. If they advertise on your blog, you get a kickback for every sale they make when your blog is mentioned.
Now, I'm not saying you should go knocking on the doors of those you want to advertise on your website. Website ads generally work in one of 2 ways.
You can sell your ad space directly to advertising agencies, or you can work with an advertising network, which will provide ads directly to you.
Whichever way you choose, this is a great way to earn some extra cash.
The second thing you can do is use affiliate marketing.
The basic idea behind affiliate marketing is this. You promote other people's products or services and in return receive commissions whenever your recommendations lead to sales.
Let's say your blog is all about being a baseball parent. You may want to write a blog post about a laundry detergent or a technique that gets those baseball pants white again.
You write your blog, include a personalized link to the product in your blog post, and when people click on that link and make a purchase, you receive a commission.
The third thing you can do is sell your own products or services.
If you're selling a product or service that your customers can buy directly from you, well, let's just say this. It's the best way to make money from blogging as you get to keep the profits.
If your blog is about training a puppy, but you also sell dog food, well, adding links to your own products just makes sense.
Last but not least, the 4th way to make money with your blog is to have a donations button.
If you have a bunch of loyal subscribers, some of them may want to donate a small amount of money now and then.
This is probably the easiest way to monetize a blog because all you need to do is add a button that links to a payment method.
So to recap, 4 ways you can monetize a blog are advertising, affiliate marketing, selling your own products or services, and asking for donations.
We hope this got your gears in motion with the ideas we shared. I'm Darlene, this is Emily. Happy blogging!